Hello dear friends, I am Engineer Shaparuk and you are watching your own channel 7 Engineering World, the Civilites. Today I am going to start solving and explaining another test held for the post of Sub-Engineer Civil CNW department. This test was conducted on 11 November 2019 under the supervision of ETEA. I have already solved and explained previous two tests held for the post of civil engineer under the supervision of KPPSC. You can find the link of that videos in the description box. The syllabus for this test was composed of the following distribution, in which MCQs related to DAE civil was 60%, English 20%, General Knowledge 10%, Islamiyat 5%, and Pakistan Studies 5%. 67 out of total 100 MCQs was related to civil engineering, and in this video series I am just going to solve these 67 MCQs which are related to civil engineering. But before starting, please like the video, and if you have visited the channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel. Let's start solving this ETA previous test for the post of sub-engineer civil CNW department. The first MCQs of the test was minimum pitch of rivet shall not be less than. The choices are A 1.5D, B 2D, C 2.5D, and D 3D. According to codes, the minimum pitch of rivet shall not be less than 2.5D. Here D represents the diameter of the rivet. So the right choice for this question is C 2.5D. MCQs number 2 is bolts are most suitable to carry. The choices are A shear, B bending, C axial tension, and D shear and bending. Bolts are most suitable to carry axial tension. So the right choice for this question is C axial tension. MCQ number 3 is the viscosity of a gas. The choices are A decrease with increase in temperature, B increase with increase in temperature, C independent of temperature, and D independent of pressure for very high pressure. The viscosity of liquid decreases with increase in temperature, while the viscosity of gases increases with increase in temperature. So the right choice for this question is B increase with increase in temperature. MCQs number 4 is which of the following object gives circular section when it is cut completely by a section plane irrespective of the angles of the section plane. The choices are A cylinder, B sphere, C cone, D circular lamina. When you cut a sphere completely by a section with any angle, it will just give a circular section. So the right choice for this question is B sphere. MCQs number 5 is hidden lines are drawn as A dashed narrow lines, B dashed wide lines, C long dashed dotted line, D long dashed double dotted wide line. Hidden lines are generally drawn as dashed narrow lines. So the right choice for this question is A dashed narrow lines. MCQs number 6 is the included angle of hexagon is. The choices are A 30 degree, B 60 degree, C 120 degree, and D 150 degree. Hexagon is a regular figure having 6 sides. The number of total angle in hexagon is 6. So the included angle of hexagon is 120 degree. So the right choice for this question is C 120 degree. MCQs number 7 is in orthographic projection the rays are assumed to be. The choices are A diverge from station point, B be parallel, C converge from station point, D none of the above. In orthographic projection the rays are assumed to be parallel. So the right choice for this question is B parallel. MCQs number 8 is an angle can be set up and measured with the help of. The choices are A plane scale, B diagonal scale, C comparative scale, and D. Scale up chords. Scales are used to take measurements in drawing. The type of scale which can be used to set up and measure angle is scale up chord D. MCQs number 9 is transverse slope given to road cross section for surface water removal is known as. The choices are A. Gradient, B. Subdrainage, C. Camber, D. Crown. The longitudinal slope of the road is known as gradient, while the transverse slope or cross slope of the road is known as camber, which is provided for water removal. So the right choice for this question is C. Camber. MCQs number 10 is the degree of saturation for the moist soil is. The choices are A. 0%, B. 1 to 5%, C. 25 to 50%, and D. 50 to 75%. The degree of saturation for the moist soil is considered as D, from 50 to 75%. MCQs number 11 is the unconfined compressive strength of very soft clay is. The choices are 10 to 25 kilonewton per meter square, 25 to 150 kilonewton per meter square, 150 to 400 kilonewton per meter square, and D, none of these. For very soft clay, the unconfined compressive strength is considered in the range of 10 to 25 kilonewton per meter square. So the right choice is A, 10 to 25 kilonewton per meter square. MCQs number 12 is the plastic limit of soil is defined as. The choices are limit of water that makes soil to flow, amount of water content which make the soil to go to the liquid state, C. amount of water content which make the soil to go into solid state from liquid state, D. minimum amount of water content which make the soil to be rolled in 3 mm diameter threads. So the right choice for this question is D, because the plastic limit of soil can be defined as minimum amount of water content which make the soil to be rolled into 3 mm diameter threads. MCQs number 13 is the point at which the whole mass of the structure acts is called. The choices are A. center of mass, B. center of gravity, C. radius of gyration, D. center of buoyancy. The point at which the whole mass of the structure acts is known as center of mass. So the right choice for this question is A. center of mass. MCQs number 14 is the point at which the whole weight of the structure acts is called. A. center of mass, B. center of gravity, C. radius of gyration, D. center of buoyancy. The point at which the whole weight of the body appear to act is known as center of gravity. So the right choice for this question is B. center of gravity. If you want to learn more about the terms like center of mass, center of gravity, how to find centroid of the composite figure or any figure, please watch the video centroid and terms related to centroid by clicking on this icon. MCQs number 15 is Brinell test is used for. The choices are A. strength, B. stability, C. toughness, D. hardness. Brinell test is a test which is used to determine the hardness of a material. So the right choice for this question is D. hardness. MCQs number 16 is a beam is attached with 3 fixed support. What will be the degree of indeterminacy? The choices are A. 0, B. 3, C. 6, D. 9. The indeterminacy of a beam can be determined by using this equation. Number of reaction minus number of available equation. Here it is given that 3 fixed supports are provided. So 3 reaction for each support, it will give total of 9 reaction. And the available equilibrium equations are 3. So the degree of indeterminacy is 9 minus 3, which will be equal to 6. So the right choice for this question is C, 6. MCQ number 17 is, if crushing strength of concrete cylinder is 5345 psi, its tensile strength will be. The choices are A, 1068 psi, B, 534.50 psi, C, 267.25 psi, D, 128.16 psi. The tensile strength of concrete is 10 times less than that of the compressive strength. So the tensile strength of this concrete will be 5345 divided by 10, which will give us 534.50 psi. So the right choice for this question is B, 534.50 psi. MCQs number 18 is, the contact pressure of flexible putting on no cohesive soil is. The choices are A, uniform throughout, B, more at the center than at the edges, C, less at the center than at edges, D, not on the putting. The right choice for this question is B, more at the center than at edges. MCQs number 19 is, in case of lateral loads or moments, the foundation could also be checked to be safe against sliding and overturning. The factor of safety should not be less than. The choices are 1.75 against sliding, B, 2 against overturning, C, 3 for wind seismic, D, both A and B. In case of lateral loads or moment, the foundation safety is also checked for sliding and overturning, and the factor of safety against sliding is 1.75 and against overturning is 2. So the right choice for this question is D, both A and B. MCQs number 20 is, the total load to be arranged for a pile load test in compression should be. The choices are A, equal to the anticipated maximum test load, B, at least 100% greater than anticipated maximum load, C, at least 50% greater than anticipated maximum test load, D, at least 10% greater than anticipated maximum test load. The right choice for this question is B, at least 100% greater than anticipated maximum test load. MCQs number 21 is, which of the following is deep foundation? A, made foundation, B, strip foundation, C, rock anchor, and D, Cajun foundation. Made foundation, strip foundation, rock anchor are the example of shallow foundation. So the right choice for this question is D, Cajun foundation. MCQs number 22 is, the highest point on extradose of arch is called. The choices are A, skewback, B, key, C, crown, D, Vashore. The right choice for this question is crown, because the highest point on extradose of an arch is C, crown. MCQs number 23 is, surface source of water are. The choices are A, river, B, lakes, C, canals, D, all of these. River, lakes and canals are all the surface source of water. So the right choice for this question is D, all of the above. MCQs number 24 is, which is raw sewage? Without treatment, B, after treatment, C, both A and B, and D, none of the above. Without treated sewage is generally termed as raw sewage. So the right choice for this question is A, without treatment. MCQs number 25 is, the unit of strain is. The choices are A, kilogram per square meter, B, PSI, C, millimeter, and D, no unit. Strain is the ratio of change in length divided by original length. As we know that strain is the ratio of same unit, so it will have no unit. So the right choice for this question is D, no unit. MCQ number 26 is, very long columns fail due to. The choices are buckling, B, crushing, C, both A and B, and D, none of the above. Short columns fails by crushing, while long columns fails due to buckling. So the right choice for this question is A, buckling. MCQ number 27 is, rough cost estimate is prepared to achieve? The choices are A. Technical section, B. Administrative approval, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. Rough cost estimate is prepared to achieve technical section and administration approval. So the right choice for this question is C. Both A and B. MCQs number 28 is quantity of dry mortar required per 100 cubic feet brickwork is. The choices are A. 60 cubic feet, B. 30 cubic feet, C. 20 cubic feet, and D. 25 cubic feet. Quantity of dry mortar required for a brickwork is 30% of the total brickwork. So the right choice for this question is B. 30 cubic feet or 30 CFT. MCQs number 29 is purpose of seal coat is to provide A. An even surface, B. Required grade, C. Camber, D. An impervious layer. Purpose of seal coat is mainly provided to provide an impervious layer. So the right choice for this question is D. An impervious layer. MCQs number 30 is a water tank constructed at reasonable height from ground level is called. The choices are A. Surface water tank, B. Underground water tank, C. Elevated water tank, D. All of the above. The tank which is constructed at a considerable height from the ground is known as elevated tank. So the right choice for this question is C. Elevated water tank. MCQs number 31 is unit of electric charge is. The choices are A. Ampere, B. Farad, C. Coulomb, D. Ohm. The unit of electric charge is Coulomb. So the right choice for this question is C. Coulomb. To avoid lengthy videos, I have solved the test in two parts. This was just the first part. The remaining MCQs are solved in video number 2. The link of that video is available in the description box. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do not forget to watch video number 2.